So continue with Kitzur. We're on page number 11, and so it's Siman 1, and we're going to finish this Siman Beezrat HaShem today. Okay, so Sif number 6. So we continue with this laws of early morning. So it says in these final two Sifim of this Siman, Kitzur digresses to discuss several laws that apply to the Psalms and Maamados prayers mentioned above. Okay. So as we said, maybe it does not apply to us, but we're going to read anyway. Those chapters of Psalms or other portions of Tanakh that are not...
Of Torah. Or
Tanakh.
Those chapters of Psalms or other portions of the Torah, it says.
Oh, that's what it says in your? Uh-huh.
Yeah, it says those chapters of Psalms or other portions of the Torah, prophets, and writings.
Interesting. Yes. Okay.
Yours is different? Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. No problem. One word is different. Okay. Tanakh.
Oh, all right. I just
Torah.
wanted to make sure. Right.
Yeah. Okay. Torah. That are not sufficiently familiar with the most people to be recited from memory. That is by heart.
Right.
Even if an individual does know them well enough to recite them from memory, should be careful not to say them from memory. So this it's actually very, very important rule that pertains to the written Torah. So unless you know 100% for like by heart, you should not say it by heart. You have to read, and you see like these big rabbis. Doesn't matter how knowledgeable they are. They will quote one pasuk, one verse from the Torah, and they would take a chumash, the Torah,
right,
to read from. So
yes,
you think he remembers all of the 3 hours of material, and he does not remember this Torah, this Torah verse. That's it. Doesn't make sense. So that's not that the rabbi does not remember. He's trying to adhere to this halachah,
right,
not to quote from memory.
right.
Okay, so it says commentary 29, Mishnah Brura 49.6 rules that it is permitted to recite psalms from memory since they are being recited as prayers and not as a study of the books of the written Torah, which may not be done from memory. Okay, exactly as we said. But when you pray, so technically, you can pray from memory. But we're going to say it's not recommended. So it's better for better concentration. So if he, for example, if he's not looking in the Siddur, so he would look around and see some things that in his mind is going to wander. Right? But when he sees the words that he's actually pronouncing, so it's better for his concentration for sure. Okay. A blind person, however, may recite by heart. I mean, so this person unfortunately does not have any choice. Commentary. For he has no other options. See Mishnah Brura, of course. Okay, so next one is 7, next page. One should protest against those who, while reciting supplications, after reciting Maamados, right, conclude their supplication with "Bless are you, HaShem, who hears prayer," thus mentioning Hashem's name in vain. So it's like they say it's a blessing in vain. That's what should not do. One should say, "Blessed is he who hears the prayer." So basically that's enough. Right? Blessed is he who hears the prayer. Without mentioning Hashem's name. To raise Zachaf, to raise Zachaf, and then Siman 131. Okay, commentary. Thus, one may not recite blessing that were not instituted by the sages. Thus, this should be recited without Hashem's name. So basically, our sages already told us what blessings to recite. So you can ask Hashem whatever you want. Just don't say the name.
Right, you can't make up your own blessing.
Yes. Okay. But you can make up your own supplications, like things. Right. That's no problem.